You have one huge piece, all aluminum, going front to back, along the sides. This is where art meets science fiction. We have a scorpion design on the tires, have a little number 9, and that's because this machine is called Bandit 9. And that's what you're looking at. I mean, to be honest, there is nothing else like this on the road. I also think that if you buy this, it's more of like a collector piece more than something that you daily drive. There is no speedometer down the middle. The body is hidden underneath this aluminum panel. You do have a small digital speedometer right there though. It's a 1200cc bike, it's a 6-speed. There's one exhaust on each side, and it's a mixture of minimalism with futurism.